Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about this platform called focus groups, right? We're going to be discussing on what it is all about and how you can actually participate here. Now, before I do that, let me basically put this as a disclaimer, right? That I do not have an account with Focus Group and I've never received money from them. So this review is basically based on the research that I did and also like from other people's opinions as well, right? Now, Focus Group, what is this all about? So as the name suggests, this is actually like a research platform, right? So what happens is that you as a user, you'll be engaged in different focus groups to give your opinions on certain brands, and then they reward you, right? And this could be maybe in the form of maybe doing Zoom calls with the researchers. Sometimes you might include things like phone calls, even be present in a particular focus groups within the company's premises and things like that, right? So these are some of the things that kind of the highlights of what you're going to encounter. And here there's a message that says, are you ready to be rewarded for sharing your opinions and experiences on the products and services that you use every day? Be the first to influence emerging concepts before they hit the market, right? So these are actually the promises that they are giving you, right? So they say the participation is entirely optional, so you're not forced on obliged to do certain things, and you can opt out at any time. And it is actually free to participate, so you don't have to pay anything to undertake their studies right here, and you'll be rewarded, right? So no matter how you participate, you always receive an incentive. So regardless of your performance, possibly maybe the answers that you give, you will be given your reward regardless of that. And your information is secure, right? Data security is their highest priority. Now, one thing that I need to let you know before you join this platform is that they are currently not hiring in certain locations, right? And I think most countries that face this situation are probably maybe based in Africa and other parts of the world, right? And for example, I'm in South Africa, and this is what I saw. So I think you need to be maybe from the States and other countries. Possibly, I think that's where they are taking applicants at this time. So I did a bit of research on focus group, and I came across this article from paid from surveys, which is actually one of the biggest channel in this niche, and this is actually their own review of this platform. They said the platform is actually legit, right, and it pays you for participating in research activities. It pays quite well, but it is not for everyone, right? There are few surveys, and most of their research activities are limited to certain locations. As I've mentioned, that you need to be in specific location in order to participate right here, but it is actually legit. But again, you have to do some research on your own, right? Don't just trust what you read. We have more ways for you to participate. So as I've mentioned, that you can participate in different ways, right? You can conduct online surveys, which is you'll be recording yourself with the webcam, or you can conduct phone surveys where you'll be chatting with the researcher, right? Personal interviews, or in person where you have to attend these focus groups in the research facility and user tests and things like that. On the go, right, with your smartphone, tablet, you can share the experiences at any time. I think this basically like regular surveys, right? Yeah, which is basically nice. Who can join, right? So they said just about everyone, right? The shoppers can join, moms and dads can join, mothers with newborns, business professional, pet lovers, and all sorts of people right here. And this is because they want to hear all types of consumers, like the opinions from all types of consumers, whether it's professionals, people with medical conditions, and so on, right? So these are some of the reviews or some of the people's comments their opinion on working on this platform, and they said it's legit. I got $75 Visa card for an hour. Felt like my opinion made an impact. You can read any of these, and these are actually the member companies, right? Now, to understand more about focus group, you can come to the FAQs right here and actually read more about them, like who is focus group, right? Then they will tell you what they're about right here, and where they're located. For example, they are located in the US, right? They've got like 16 offices there, and you can participate in different research studies. Telephone, as I've mentioned previously, and who can join. They said the process is simple, free, and only takes a few minutes. You must be 18 years old to register. Click here to become a member. You can only join a panel once. I'll go reserve the right to refuse any membership obligations in accordance with their terms. So yeah, and I think it should be from the states, and I'll suggest that you read most of these yourself. Now, will I be rewarded for participating? Right? I think this is one of the most commonly asked questions. I'll say, like most people, they also want to know how are they going to be rewarded, and like what forms of payment processes do they use. So according to them, after you've participated, right, you should be able to be paid within 2 to 3 weeks of participation, right, depending on whether this study is still open. And you earn reward points, right, that will be added on your account, and you can redeem these via debit card, Amazon, Best Buy, Apple gift cards, and so on. So you can redeem these points using this option right here. And of course, you'll be required to pay taxes as well on that. So don't forget. And according to them, right, 100 points is equivalent to $1, and I think you need to get at least 1,000, right, 2,000 of these to get at least $20, I think, which is the minimum. They said here that once you've accumulated enough focus reward points, you can redeem them for a number of fantastic rewards in dominations ranging from $5 to $100, depending on the position and balance. So I think the minimum should be at least $500. But if you get 500 points, actually, sorry, you will be able to redeem $5. So again, I'll suggest that you do more research on yourself. Try to learn more about this platform on your own, right, before you actually invest your time, because I don't want you to waste your time in any kind of way. So guys, that's all about focusgroup.com, and again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.